Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the muffler assembly in your string trimmer, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 5 screws, securing the recoil starter assembly to the engine cover and engine. Set the recoil starter aside and unthread the 4 front screws securing the engine cover. With the screws unthreaded, separate the engine from the cover. Using a T25 Torx bit, unthread the muffler assembly mounting bolts. You can now remove the old muffler assembly from the heat shield. Install the new muffler assembly by positioning it in the shield. Align the gasket. Then insert the mounting bolts. Align the assembly on the engine, then thread and tighten the bolts. Realign the engine assembly with the cover. Rethread the screws in the front. Reposition the recoil starter on the engine assembly, making sure the recoil pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure. The larger screws go on the bottom.